A beginner's guide to composting. Why start composting? Composting is good for your garden, good for the environment, and makes good use of the garden and kitchen waste you'd usually throw away. According to wrap.org.uk, every year in the UK we throw away over 6.5 million tonnes of food waste. That's enough household waste to fill around 66,000 three-bedroom terraced houses, the equivalent size of a town like Peterborough. So why not reduce your waste by composting? It will enrich your soil, keep your plants happy, and benefit the environment too. Let's look at what you can compost. Waste falls into two categories, greens and browns. You want a 50-50 mix, all of which you can find inside and outside your home. Brown items include egg cartons and cardboard, twigs and sticks, dried grass and old leaves, hay and straw, sawdust, hair from hairbrushes, pet fur, tumble-dry lint, and newspapers. A little tip: cut up bigger items to help them break down faster. Green items include eggshells, fruit and veg, tea leaves and coffee grounds, old flowers and plants, bread, and freshly cut grass. Not too many grass clippings though, as they can become compacted and upset the balance. And what can't you compost? Of course, not everything is suitable and might even attract an inquisitive animal or two. So here's what to avoid. Meat and fish, bones, dairy, coal, oily or buttery products. And definitely no cat or dog waste. Here in the UK, a regular household composter won't reach the temperatures needed to kill off the parasites. You can compost waste from vegetarian pets like rabbits or guinea pigs though, and any used bedding like paper, straw or wood shavings. Get organised. B&Q's Cora bins make it easy to divide and store your green and brown items until you're ready to take them out. You can also store fast-rotting food scraps in a bag in your freezer or the back of the fridge. Let's get started. Once you have your waste ready, it's best to alternate the layers of brown and green items to avoid the compost from becoming too soggy. Start with a brown base. Brown waste is carbon-rich and generally dry, meaning better airflow for aeration. This helps microorganisms break down the waste. Green waste is typically wet and adds nitrogen to the mix, which is important for microbial growth. There shouldn't be any flies. Keep waste covered and check moisture levels aren't too high. Now wait. How long depends on the temperature. It can be ready in just 6 months if it's warm, but it can take up to 2 years to fully mature. To speed things up, you could add a compost accelerator with each layer to help bacterial growth and kill off weeds. And make sure that you stir your compost with a garden fork every 10 days to ensure airflow. When it's ready, the mature compost will be dark brown with a crumbly soil-like texture. That's when it's time to proudly add a layer of your very own compost to your beds and borders. What wonderfulness will you grow with your waste? For more information on steps you can take to reduce household waste, visit wrap.org.uk.